Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Edifier W100T wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to your phone or your other device, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete and clear all of the pairing history so you can set them up again as a new set of earbuds. We can go ahead and do this quite easily. All we need to do is take the earbuds out of the case. Just make sure they don't pair with anything. If they're paired with something, this won't work. So you might want to turn the Bluetooth off on your phone or whatever. Anyways, you're going to take them out of the case, and with them not paired to anything, you're just going to press and hold the back touch button on both earbuds for about 8 seconds, just keeping an eye on this light. You can let go of the light when the LED blinks blue rapidly and then the earbuds turn off. Then you can let go everything and then basically put them in the case. You take them out of the case again, and now you have a new set of earbuds. Follow the normal pairing procedure to set these up as a new set of earbuds.